Hi viewers, welcome back to Mithramma IT YouTube channel. In this video, I'm discussing about a DP-203 exercise 4, which is analyze data in a lake database. Now, before going to this documentation, firstly go through the cloning of command. Go for Azure. This is my Azure portal. Just go for resource groups. You can see these are the three resource groups for first DP-203 exercise 1, and this is for exercise 2, this is for exercise 3. Now I go to exercise 4, right? Now click on the new cloud shell. I'm opening the new cloud shell. Just I paste the URL of git clone repository. Yeah, just I'm pasting this git clone repository in this path. Click enter. You can see it's populating it. Let's go for a setup also. Setup PS1 for this analyze data in lake database. Paste it. Just click enter. Yeah, it's navigating to our script starting. It's asking password for your Azure Synapse workspace SQL pool. Just after entering the password, just go to the documentation. Yeah, now it's process to up to Azure. It's creating our resource group for us. Yeah, now go to documentation. Now you see the documentation. Yeah, the mainly the workspace of this doing the Synapse workspace analytics enables you to combine the flexibility of file storage in data lake with structured schema and SQL querying capabilities of a relational database through their ability to create a lake database. A lake database is a relational database schema defined on a data lake file store that enables data storage to be separated from the complete user to query it. Lake database combines the benefits of structured schema that include support for data types and the relationships and other features typically only found in the relational database systems. And with this flexibility of storing data in files that can be used independently of a relational database store, especially the lake database overlays relation schema onto files in folders in data lake. Yeah, this is about Azure data lake storage, lake database. Now in this provision of Azure Synapse Analytics Workspace, I am doing these two activities for cloning of your DP-203 exercise 4 of analyze data in a lake database. Right now, what I'm trying to do in this exercise, monitoring of container permissions. After that, create a table. After that, create a table from database template. Create a table from existing data and working with lake databases and delete the resources. Now modify containers permission. For this, what you are doing this is the container permissions. To modify the container permission, just go to the data lake storage and just switch the files and just switch back to your Azure data factory. Sorry, not data factory, Azure Active Directory user account to your switch enter account user to our enter account user. Switch to enter user account to enter user account. Okay, don't forget it. Now after that, create a lake database. The lake database we have to create, I will show you in Azure portal for the next in this video. It's still script is running. Just wait. Now you create a lake database. Okay. Why you are creating lake database? For analyzing data, right? For analyzing data, you are creating the lake database. I will show you how you create the lake database and how it will be give the properties and how it will be publishing it. After we create a table, now create a table having some by using the retail DB when you're creating a lake database. By using this lake database, you're creating a tables of it is called database by using a custom table. I will show you in the demonstration of Azure portal of all those things. And I will just go to the columns and publish the database again, save the names irrespective of your requirements. And also I want to copy this customers.csv files to my portal and just copy to save as to my desktop only. So customers, yeah, it's saved successfully. Go back, yeah, it's customer, right? Yeah, customers, yes, file will successfully submitted. We are creating the table by using custom, right? This is by using tables by using storage path. This is the way creating. After creating a database, create a table from a database template. From the database template, having some database having template, and I will show you on how it will be, on how it will select it, and how it will be deselecting on those columns, and how it will be give the priority of the name and description, and what keys you required, and what nullabilities you required, and data types you want to mention. I will in detail I will go through it. And after that, the third one will be load data into a tables storage path by using product.csv. I just copy this file also, save as. In place of this, I will just set it save because I have two files, right? So I'm saving this file on that place. Otherwise, I'm confusing it. Yeah, I'm saving the file. I'm just replacing the old file with this file. Okay. Now I'm creating table with existing data. What existing data here? I am creating the table by existing data in retail label by sales order.csv. I think I have these files in some folder in my account. So however, just go for desktop and save. It saves successfully. Just come back. Now create a table, retail table. Just go for it and update the values. Now work with lake database tables. How you work with the lake database, I will show you. And how you nesting data using Spark, and how you can retrieve the files. After that, you can delete Azure resource for the what you want to be. I'll show you in this portal. Yeah, our credentials will be expired. For reducing our credentials, saving our credentials, you must deleting of your resource groups. That will good too. If not required of your resource groups, must be deleted. This must be deleted. If required to show something, some on your authorities, please keep it 1 or 2 days. The next 2 days, we must be deleted and observe how much cost it takes for each resource group, and you can trigger it out. Okay, no issue on it. Why I'm keeping all those resource groups? Because the next 4 days I lost my free trial on Azure portal. That's why I'm creating so many of resource groups in my account, and see how much time and how much credentials it's consuming for each resource group in my cost analysis. Yeah, this is all about the analyzing of data in lake database. Yeah, now go through the Azure portal. Now it's done, right? Now just minimize it. No, actually I want to not see my resource group name, right? Just back. Yeah, you can see this is my resource group. This is just me copy it for my future reference. And I'm not confusing the other resource group also. Yeah, it's done. I'm copying the resource group to my notebook. Just you can see there's 3 resources only. Just I refresh it, I got the new one, which is called XRLVA46. Just click on here. You can see there is three. One is for data lake, and one is for Synapse. You can see observe the data lake. What will be the container having? Go for storage browser, blob container. The blob container having the files. In that files you can see Synapse. Synapse having the workspace having the Spark. Synapse some values, warehouse, and Spark pools. Okay, this is the files having. Let's go for it, close it, and go for our DB. Now open the Synapse Studio. This is the main aim of our data engineers of DP-203 exercises. Now Synapse workspace will be open in new web page interface. Just click on outlook.com. Yeah, our Azure Synapse Analytics will be worked on it. Yeah, now we are trying to do is, now you can see this is our Synapse workspace, new web page interface. Now before going to doing this activity on it, for this analyze data in lake database, you must go to our resource group, go for lake database, and go for your, click on the data lake storage. After going to files, now switch Microsoft and try user to switch to access users access key. Okay, then only just close it and go for this one. Then only open the Synapse Studio. Yeah, now you open the Synapse Studio and create a lake database. For the exercises of DP-203 exercise 4. Yeah, this is exercise. Now go open the home. Now we have to select the open. Now I have deleted our data. Go for data. You can see the linked services. The linked services having the files. What you see observe in the data lake storage Gen 2. What you see in the data lake storage Gen 2, all the files will be observed from here also. Click on the files. The files you can see Synapse workspace. Okay. Now what I'm trying to do, I'm creating a lake database. Just click on in the development page. Now in the database, click on plus, create a lake database. Now click on accept the template terms of user Synapse database. Click on OK. Now in the properties, give the name as retail DB. Click on OK. In the description, now input folder property, keep it as a files format retail DB and delimited text. Okay, keep it as hide it. And next we want to DB. We want to select publish it. Publish the retail DB. Now you can go to your files of the Synapse. You can go for Synapse. Go for files. The files I have to create a new folder which is called as retail DB. Name retail DB, just create it. It's creating a new folder name retail DB on your file system. Okay, now what I'm creating, now I'm creating a table. How I'm creating table? Just switch back to retail DB. Just go for work. Just close it. Close the files. Let's go for workspace. You can see the retail DB. Just click on here and open it. can see there's a table here, retail levy, map data, publishing. Just click on that as table. You can also see, you can also drag it. You can see these three formats: custom and from template, lake database. Click on the custom one. Just to collapse this one, it's looking good. Then yeah, you can see this is the properties of general table one. Keep it as a customer. Now expand the storage settings for table. You can see the name as retail personal customer. On the columns, go for columns and just extend up. It's looking good. Now it's time to move to our documentation for creating these columns to our table. Yeah, you want to give all the columns to our table. Copy this, paste here, copy this. If you want to add a column, just click on the column, add on 6 columns, 6 rows. Just I want to add 6 rows. If you not required, you can delete also. I'm giving the first name and the last name also. Delete it. Here I record only 5 on, not 6. I'll show you how to delete also. The phone number, not phone, not phone number. Okay, and just click it and delete it. Required the 4 one. Let's see what is the description. So having the unique customer ID, having the customer first name, having customer last name, customer email or email address, phone for customer phone. Yeah. Now it's time to give the keys and nullable values. You see only the customer ID having the key and last name and phone number having the nullable values. The key, last name, phone, right? Now also see what is the values you are assigning. Just assign here Synapse. Now the customer ID having the long, remaining as a keep it as default ones. In this one, on this one value long and remaining keep it default. Yeah, is done. Now what I'm trying to do. Now I'm done with those things. Now I'm trying to publish it. I'm publishing customer, right? It's done. Now come to dataman. It's been workspace. Retail levy. You can see the table has a customer. Okay. Now load data into the table storage path. How you to load data into table storage path? How? Now just go for files. Of our retail levy. Just I'm trying to upload the customer file which I downloaded. Just go for uploading it. Actually, I downloaded to desktop, right? But I haven't. No, go for desktop. I have customers. That's good to go. Open it and upload it. Actually, I'm reading wrong because I'm did yes, I'm deleting it because I'm not creating the customer folder in the retail DB folder and creating new folder which is called customer. Now create it. Now you're trying to upload the file what you downloaded from your documentation. Open it and upload it. It's uploaded successfully. Right? Go for files. retail.db. You see customer. I'm not uploading outside. I'm uploading to inside. Just delete it. Open the customer. Now upload. Yeah, this is a waker. This is a hierarchy. Okay, retail.db customer having customer.csv. If now the data panel left, go for here. Workspace, the customer, script 100 rows. Built-in skill pool, retail.db. Why retail.db? Because the database name has retail.db. Just run it, can get the query of the file having the customer.csv. It's retrieving query result. Please be wait. Yeah, it's getting the output customer ID, first name, last name, email address, and phone. Okay, now publish it. If you require, publish it, otherwise not required. Just I'm not required is discarding this script. I'm not publishing it. Now create a table from a database template, right? Now close this one also. Now click on here and open it. Click on table as previously. Now from template, click on from template. Now go for, you can see all these are the templates where you want to get. I want to get from retail. Click on retail, continue. In this preview of templates of retail, in so many columns are there, but I go for product, expand it. In this I want to retail product. I want retail product. Okay, this is the retail product I want. Just click on add. Now I can see the table name as, let's collapse this one, retail table. Let's change the name as to product. Okay, change the name to product. Also verify the name in the stored settings of table. Yeah, sales or sales DB. Go to columns. Now in the columns you can see so many is there, but I don't require this much of columns. I want require specified columns. Just click on the product ID. Now click on the name. Select all. Now you required your requirements of your enable disable of your requirements. Product ID I want. I want product name and introduction date. I want introduction date and also actual abandonments date also I want. After that, I want items queue and product gross weight. Yeah, then remaining R will be deleted. You can see the product ID, the documentation. You can see these are the documentation I want to require. That's why I'm selecting these values. You can go through here and check for trading name, introduction date, introduction date, and abandoned actual abandoned date and gross weight and chunk. Okay. As per these details, you must fill the length, date type, nullability, description, keys, and name. Okay. And also you can add list price at the very last of this data. Just copy it, add a column, add a new column, not a template. Okay. Just the product price, decimal. Keep it as a decimal. Yeah. And also change this data types also. I'm trying to changing these data types. First is for long, second is for string, which is 128. Okay. And there is a date, right? The rate, decimal, the string is having 20, right? Go for it. There is only options 5 in 1. Yeah, that's good. Now it's time to publishing of your data. Go for general, check the name. Yes, that's good. It will be product. Now publishing it. Publish. It's publishing. Go for a data panel. If publishing successfully, you can just refresh this. You can see the table name here. You can see product, right? Now go for load data in the table storage path. How you can load data in the table storage path? Just go for, just close this title levy. Just go for link services. Go for files. The retail levy. Click on a new folder. Name as product. Create it. Also see the name of the product. If you not gives perfect one as given here, it's not get it. Let's validate. On the product, just upload the product file as you download it from the documentation. I think it's product.csv, not products. Let's cancel it and go for the documentation once. Download it again. Save. Save the desktop. Yeah. And go for here and upload the now. Upload product.csv, not products.csv. uploaded it. I'm uploading it onto my product folder. Yeah, it's uploaded successfully. You can see detail we having customer and product. Now go for the data workspace. Now click on here script and run the hundreds one and keep bulletin and keytin detail just run it. You can see our data will be populated, which is having the product.csv. Yeah, the script is successfully run. Now discard the script. Not required the script, that's why I'm deleting it. Yeah, now I'm creating a table from existing data. Yes, before you creating tables by using retail DB, right? Now we are creating a table by using of existing data, right? How you will be doing before going to creating a table by using existing data? I am uploading a file by using some container. It is sales order. First I am doing sales order container and name it in. Okay, just open sales order and upload the file from my desktop, my local folder. Yeah, I open it and upload it. Just I try to upload it to my Azure storage account. It's uploaded successfully. Now I'm created table. How I can create a table? Just go for workspace, retail DB, click on here, not empty, just open it, create table from lake database. Okay, give the external table name. It's a sales order, right? The linkage service, what you have linkage service now. Input folder, files, files having the retail DB and sales order. Click on OK. That's it. Click on OK. Now continue the next page and then create a first. I'm creating external tables. For creating external table, it's asking some what kind of requirements you want to be for that external table. I'm defaultly file type CSV and first row key part it is default. Just create it. It's creating a sales order for creating a template for the your requirement, right? Now what are you trying to do? Just do the follow the documentation and give the names as per the requirements of the required data. It's all good. Go for the storage settings of table, sales order. That's good. Just go for column. Just to collapse this one. That's a good, looking good. No column, the C1. Just go for. Sorry. Yeah. Now I am creating. Now I'm creating tables for this. In order date. Line item. customer ID, product ID, quantity, how much quantity I want to provide. Okay, just copy from the documentation and paste here. Description I want to copy. Date of the order, the ID of the line item, individual line item, the customer, product, the order quantity. You can see also how what keys you have to enable and what non-abilities you want to be do. Sales order ID and link ID will be enabled. Remaining all those will be keep as default, not default, and disable it. Also go through the data types. Those data types you want to be selected, select it and keep remaining as default. Okay. Now the first one is long and the remaining all are long. Now time to go to the relationship. Now you can see the columns having sales order, order date, linter, customer, product, and quantity. The relationships you can go for here and click on the relationship to table and click the customer ID, sales and sales ID. No, it's hiding customer ID. Now add from one more to table. It's having product. It's having the product ID, sales order, and product ID. Now the data panel left workspace. We're publishing it and review the result of our sales order. Now it's created. Now go for expanding this. Now here you can see the tables, what the tables your sales order also you can see. Just query it. You can also query the table of your sales order because it's existing data, right? Retail DB invalid object name retail DB dot sales order because I'm not selecting the retail DB. I'm selecting it. Yeah, it's now executing. Okay, this is the way you can extracting of data from your data lake storage into. Okay, create a table from existing data. Okay, this is the way you're creating table from existing data. I hope you understand it. Now we're working with lake database. For this, just if you are not required this one, just discarding this. Close it, close it. For the working with lake database tables, click on the development tab and click on the new menu, create a new script. Click connect the built-in SQL pool and click it as a retail DB, not master one. Now what I'm trying to do, just go for the documentation, working with lake database, copy this, do this and paste here and run the code. You can see the result of sales order ID, email address, product name, quantity. For this, you can skip the run by using the link database. Now I have to insert data by using Spark. Now click on this development page and click on the notebook. It's creating a new Spark. Click on Spark pool and click on Python language, default one. Go to the tab of your notebook. Just copy it, go for here and just paste and run it. And go to another code shell and copy it. It takes too much time, like not much time. It takes 2-3 minutes for getting started with Spark at the first time. That's why it takes time to getting ready for your Spark in our this Synapse workspace. It's still not Spark active. When it Spark's ready, then only you can see result. Yeah, still Spark is running. Just please wait for getting the output of Spark. Still not Spark is ready. When Spark is ready, it will show a ready in the green symbol. Actually, sorry for inconvenience of I'm not explaining the codes because it's take too much time. Actually, when I go through this documentation, it takes approximately 40 minutes, and actually sometimes it's some documentation having 1 hour. That's why I'm not taking too much time for making this video. That's why I'm not explaining this codes. Just I'm explaining the process how you do. The further videos I'm explaining on what the process you do and what option is required and what option will create why you're doing this. I will show you. I will explain you in the further videos. So you can see now Spark will be ready for this workspace for this notebook. Yeah, Spark is available on 2 minutes 59 seconds, right? Now after 2 minutes 15 seconds 18 seconds, I think after 30 seconds it will be run successfully. Yeah, it's still on it. Is in progress. Java execution progress. See how it will be and how it secures in. Yeah, it says no data available. That's okay, no issue. You can also see the data will be ingested securely into our retail heavy source order. Go for data, link services, files. Here you can see sales order.csv. Market file will be stored here. Go for retail heavy sales order. You can open it, preview. can see 999 will be added. Okay, that's fine. Click on OK. Actually, that value will be added this file. Check this. Why not? I'm check. Let's check it. Let's debug it. Having sales order. Sales order having the partitions. Okay, no issue. But our data will be stored inserting into our retail DB dot sales order values at this position and get the data from select order ID equal to 99. Its execution runs. You can see this order will be getted here. Okay, by limited line and customer ID, products and quantity. Okay, you can also see these values from query of data of sales order and run it. I think it shows latest one or not. I think yeah, it shows latest one what you entered here. Okay, this is the way you want to insert the data to our files. Okay, I hope you understand the concept of Azure analyze data in Azure data lake house. Okay, this is all about the retail DB of our creation of working with lake database tables. I hope you understand all those things. Just publishing all those things. Actually, not required, but I'm publishing it for the how much cost it takes. I will see. You can see here also. This is all publishing. And then publishing cancels. It's still publishing now. It's published successfully. Now this is all about our creation of analyzing data in lake database. I hope you understand this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.